Alright guys, it's another Nature Miniverse. Surprise, surprise. Oh man. Not really surprised that this won't open for me. Alright. Something I don't have. Something I don't have. Or another fish. Ooh. Okay, intrigue. Okay. So, reminders. We've had the flower here. We've had this herb one finally. We've had this flower. We haven't had this. We've had the 2 fish and the frog. We even have a duplicate of the fish. No carrots, no lettuce, but we have had strawberries and tomatoes. So let's see what this one brings us. Oh, it's the milk can. Oh, whoa. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, I want to make a mold of this. That would be super cool. Okay, I like that it comes with a little insert, so you're not kind of killing it when you put the resin in. Alright. So, oh, these are pretty. When I get duplicates of flowers, I might have to actually start making some molds of flowers, because I think some of them would be really cool with to have different colors and things like that. Okay, so I'm not actually going to open this resin. I was doing another project earlier, and I still have a resin in here. So we're going to just... Okay, you know what? Let's just take this stupid tube out. This is great when you're doing fine detail stuff, but kind of not doing fine detail. Alright, so let's pull out our daisies. Oh, it's got an extra thing too. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it how it is. So we're gonna do that with that at the back. And we're gonna cure it. I am using the little tiny flashlight. I also feel like the non-Miniverse resin does usually cure faster. So we're gonna give it a shot. Just move that. Wah! I forgot it rolls. So yeah, I really think this little milk pail is super cute. And I would definitely mold it, but I feel like, well, yeah, if you didn't let it fill on the inside, you would have a really huge, fairly heavy mold. So it's kind of, oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's got like an edge in there. Yeah, you would have to put something in, because that edge would be a problem when you go to pull the mold out. So that's a little I wonder if I could find a straw. It's hard to find plastic straws nowadays. But yeah, there's a little, I don't think you can really see it, but there's like a sharp little edge inside. Oh, you are not fully cured. Alright, let's put on the big light. See if I can get you solid. Oh no, did it tip over? Yep. When in doubt, use the big light. It's a little more powerful. I might also need to change the batteries in that little flashlight. I've used it for some things. Alright. Because, yeah, this is really adorable. I definitely would. Oh! That one plant had little milk bottles. Little milk jugs. Ooh. Okay, now I really need to make a mold out of this. I'll put the flowers in it for now until I figure out how I'm going to mold it so it doesn't get stuck. Well, if I did it this way, it would just be a solid one. You couldn't put stuff in it. Problems, problems, problems. I think. Oh yeah, it is cured. Holy, that is cured now. And so you just slide it on into your milk jug, and there you go. This one's super cute. I'm excited that I got it. And like I said, I love the little milk crate or milk jug. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.